Tummy time might seem simple, but it plays a powerful role in your baby's growth. From brain and motor development to digestive health and disease prevention. Tummy time is one of the easiest, most effective ways to support your infant's wellness. Let's explore why it matters and how to make it fun. From a physiological standpoint, tummy time promotes head, neck, shoulder, and core strength. It also stimulates motor coordination, builds posture control, and supports brain development by strengthening the visual and vestibular systems. A. Strengthens upper body muscles for rolling, crawling, and sitting. E. Prevents flat spots on the baby's head, positional plagiocephaly. And C. Improves balance, coordination, and spatial awareness. Did you know tummy time also supports digestion? Gentle pressure on the abdomen can help relieve gas, reduce bloating, and even promote more regular bowel movements. For babies who struggle with reflux, small sessions after feeding, when appropriate, can ease symptoms. As part of a holistic routine that includes breastfeeding, tummy time enhances immune health by promoting lymphatic circulation and movement. The physical activity also helps reduce stagnation, a factor that can impact respiratory and gastrointestinal health. A. Engaged babies sleep better, and sleep boosts immune resilience. And B. Physical movement supports cellular detoxification and circulation. Breast milk provides essential nutrients like DHA and ARA that support neurological growth. Tummy time gives the baby a physical challenge that lets those nutrients go to work in building stronger neural pathways, better coordination, and emotional regulation. To get the most out of tummy time, keep it engaging and stress-free. Here are a few simple ideas to make tummy time fun for both you and your baby. A. Use colorful toys, sensory books, and high-contrast cards. B. Lie down face-to-face with your baby to build a connection. C. Use a mirror so the baby can see their reflection. D. Play calming music or sing songs softly. Tip: start with short sessions, just 2 to 3 minutes 2 to 3 times a day, and increase as your baby grows stronger. Some babies don't love tummy time at first, and that's okay. A. Try placing the baby on your chest while you lie back, using a rolled towel under their chest for support. C. Offering encouragement with a soothing voice and gentle touch. Consistency and encouragement go a long way. Even a few minutes a day can bring big benefits over time. One of the best ways to make tummy time a habit is to include it in your daily rhythm. Tummy time doesn't need to feel like a chore. It can be fun, brief, and sprinkled throughout your day. A. Do tummy time after a diaper change or morning nap. Bob. Include older siblings in the activity to model and engage. C. Use tummy time as a bonding opportunity after feedings. Tummy time is more than playtime. It's a foundation for strength, growth, and wellness, from head to toe. Combined with great nutrition, breastfeeding, and love, it's one of the best gifts you can give your baby. Like, comment, and subscribe for more mom and baby wellness tips. Cherish your health, empowering families from day one.